How to add someone online. Hi everyone, welcome back to Wake&Tech. Are you trying to add someone online but not sure where to start? Then, this beginner-friendly guide will walk you through the easiest step. First of all, open the Line app on your phone and make sure you're logged into your account. Now you will be able to see Add Friends button at the bottom of your home screen. Tap on that, and then on the next page, you can easily add friends by searching for them, scanning their QR code, or simply inviting them to Line. First, let's go ahead and search for a friend. Tap the search icon at the top right corner and then enter your friend's ID, or you can also enter their phone number. I'm just going to select the ID option and typing in their ID. If you want to enter the phone number, you can tap on the phone number option, select their country code, and then type in your friend's phone number. The next method is QR code. Tap on the QR code button at the top of the screen from your Add Friends tab, and then you can go ahead and choose to provide access to enable useful features. Tap on the camera option in order to scan their QR code, or you can tap on the photos option. Either way, just tap continue on this pop-up and tap on allow. After allowing camera access, you will see this QR code scanner on the page. Go ahead and scan your friend's QR code by placing the QR code in the frame, and you'll be able to add them in the platform. Another method is to simply invite any contact to join in. Tap the invite button at the top left and then select the method you want to invite your friends from. You can choose to invite via text message, email, WhatsApp, or Facebook. I'm just going to select text message. You'll need to allow access to your contact in order to do that. Allow all the necessary contacts to sync in and choose one of your friends you want to invite. After tapping on one of your friends, click on the invite button at the top right corner, and then you will be able to see your invitation code and a QR code generated. Tap the send button to send in the message to the contact. Similarly, you can also invite them via WhatsApp, email, or Facebook. So those were some of the methods you can use in order to add friends online. That's how you can add someone online quickly and easily. Go ahead and connect with your friends and start chatting. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. I will be back again in the next video. Stay tuned till then.